This is basically a project for us. Why this project is being conducted by way of video has to do with two reasons. One is the concept of memory. Two is something called remote viewing. A very brief explanation of RV is the ability to use a protocol to detect events and things that are distant from you in space-time reality. The first thing I'd like to say about this project is, it has been designed to speak to two varieties of people. The first being the general audience who have interest in our content. The second being the hidden people who have a similar knowledge base as our content, but may lack resources to better the articulation of their knowledge base or storyline. This second group is generally comprised of individuals who tend to have certain commonalities among their personal knowledge base or storyline. These commonalities include the following. 1. Don't say anything. Act normal. Do not share this with others. 2. Neutral. Non-judgment question and answer technique, where it is understood that both the question and the answer change as the person changes. Most importantly, that neither are as vital as the event of noticing the deeper, further of the self. 3. Name. The word that defines your individual concept of self and possibly also your temporal progression. Names tend to be understood as something set apart from having existence in space-time reality. Name is understood as your personal coordinate in space-time reality. They change, but link you to your infinite continuity. Four, the concept of choice as it pertains to choosing your existence. The tiny seed of choice is inherent within the limitation you exist as, in that which is your personal coordinate in space-time reality. 5. What I'll call wizard rules, also known as jurisdiction. This concept is like a guide of reference one develops, where seeming disjointed information is resonant to each other in intangible ways, where the joining of these disjointed parts comes from the noticing of the deeper self. This list is not in any way exact, and they will vary among storylines. I will take this time now to mention that you will notice a difference in language used between the content designed for the general audience and the content designed for the hidden people. Understand that the alternative lexicons here are not being given for you to learn. These old hat concepts I have just presented were put here in this video because it was what I knew, not learned, knew, as a child. And the purpose of putting it here is to show that there are such as us that exist. Our videos will reflect one of three venues of content. One shall be geared towards cultivating and presenting conceptual articulation of the quantum experience. Another shall be a bit more like artistic rambling and will reflect an ongoing internal conversation about the conversion of these old hat ideas into this new model of quantum experience. The third shall be a treat of gatherings attended at the office of Andrew Matsukawa in a series called Infinite Cosmic Beings.